Today, I'm going to show you a really simple way to make a mermaid tail cookie. Now, I did start with my mermaid tail cookie cutter, and I've got 3 bags, and I basically just cut these to be a number 2 tip, just a round circle number 2 tip. Let's get started. You can use whatever colors you'd like to. Just gonna squeeze, pull down, squeeze, pull down, where I'm kind of making a teardrop. I'm gonna alternate my colors. Squeeze, pull down, squeeze, pull down, squeeze, pull down. This is a really simple method. You can do whatever pattern or colors that you'd like to do. Until you've got this entire overlap here. Okay, there you go. Doesn't have to be. I'm going to take my leaf tip turned this way,